Hey everyone, welcome back to the Distinct Mastering YouTube channel. My name is Freddie. Today I'm going to be sharing one of the best features in Ableton. I realize not a lot of people know about this feature, so we're going to talk about it today. It's going to be a short video, but I use this feature quite often. Let's get into it. Alright, before we get into the video, I just want to mention, if you like the music that's playing in the background, it's a new one on our label, Nos Recordings. It's Erick Diaz, Tell Me. There's a special VIP mix. Links to that are down below. And don't forget to check out my new memberships in 2025. I have a YouTube membership and a Patreon membership. So if you want more exclusive content, check both of those out. Now let's get into Ableton and talk about the best and coolest feature that I think exists. Okay, so a little backstory. I've been doing a ton of sync licensing work, and I've been making a lot of different beats with a lot of different people for this stuff. And one of my friends has been bringing me old sessions of his. And I use this feature quite often, even in my own work. Okay guys, here we are in Ableton, and I just want to share with you one of the coolest features. I've been using this quite a lot. I'm not showing my face so you can see the browser window here on the left, but I'm just going to go ahead and talk you through it. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure your production drive is loaded up here on the left. You could do that by clicking add folder. If you use one drive, it's not a big deal. I have different drives for different things. I've had multiple production drives and multiple sound libraries because I fill them up. If you need help with learning how to organize your drives and your sessions, I have an old video on this, as well as backing up your music. I'll leave you links to those down below. But basically, one of the ways I use this a lot is if I remember while I'm working a sound that I used in a previous session, I'll go and grab it. And you can easily just open up a session and drag in the track you want. So that's great. Now, in the instance of what we're doing here with all the sync licensing music, one of my friends has been bringing me sessions from his old drive. And so this one, I left this as an example for the video. We already redid this one and it's now here. But so I saved this here. I want to show you how what I've been doing in this instance is just taking this whole ALS file and dragging it in. Then I'll get every single track right into my session. Then what I'll do is I'll just go through it and choose to just hack away. I'll delete stuff, move tracks into my bus, and keep certain things, replace sounds. So this is going to be a short video, but the reason why I wanted to show you this is my friend didn't know that this existed, and I bet you a lot of people don't. It's such a great trick. I'll be working and I'll think of a lead sound. Oh, I programmed this lead, and maybe it's not as fast to find it in my serum. I need to go through and organize my serum better, or some of my synths, but I know exactly where that beat came from. So go back to your drive, go back to your session, open up the ALS, drag the track in, boom, there you have the preset and the MIDI. So not only do you can save patterns this way. I'll often save MIDI too, but it's just a great way of working, because as you start to build up your archive of your own sounds and your sound sets and your samples, there's just something that helps you generate your own sound. So it's going to be a super short video today. I hope you found this helpful. I don't know how many people know about this. I know there's videos on the subject. I'm not trying to be the same as everyone, but I just wanted to share with my community one of the most game-changing Ableton features, in my opinion. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure to hit the like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and if you liked it, subscribe to the channel. I'd love to get your support. That bell notification will keep you up to date. And in the meantime, if you want, check out the membership tiers. I have one on YouTube and I have an exclusive one on Patreon that has more bonus content. And once again, if you like the music that's playing in the background, don't forget it's a new one on our label, Nos Recordings. It's Erick Diaz, Tell Me. So make sure you go and grab that. Links to that are all down below. My name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.